This Artisan Realtors property video is presented by Dan Adams. Awesome Rivoli Park 3-bedroom, 2 full, and 2 half-bath home. Located in the heart of the 10 East Arts Plus Design District. Amazing open floor plan. Gorgeous kitchen and bathrooms. This beautiful modern home still has the historic features such as hardwood floors, stained glass, and built-in bench seating. Smart home features include security system, thermostat, garage and front doors that can all be controlled from your phone. Tons of space both inside and out, full walkout basement, driveway with an automatic gate, oversized 2-car garage, deck, fire pit, second floor balcony, and so much more. Lots of renovations coming on this street and in this area, including the 2 houses to the south and redevelopment of a lot across the street. For more information